Greetings people, my name is Michael Harvey from Sammy's Gourmet Treat, and today in the kitchen I'm cooking vegetable soup or soup if you prefer for the family. Now this is a soupy kind of a meal that is meatless, so for protein I like to use peanuts and red peas or bean if you prefer. And we have all the other ingredients like yam, yellow yam, white yam, red cocoas. Over here, you can have soup without pumpkin, so we have pumpkin and carrots. And of course it's vegetable, so we have our greens and our seasoning, thyme, scallion and pepper. Here we have our okras. So in this meal, all the ingredients are vital, but it's the coconut juice which is the star of the show. And you could refer to the peanut and the red peas as its co-star. Now here in the pot, for the interest of time, I've got red peas and peanut that it's already cooked with garlic. So to this, I'm gonna add my coconut juice. To fold that up too much because you keep in mind that the other solid food is going to go in there. So we'll turn the fire up, and when it starts to boil, we'll add all the other food, solid food that is. So after adding the coconut juice to the peanut and the red peas in the pot, start to boil up. So I'm going to add my yellow yam. And let that boil for about 5 minutes. Cover the pot. Let the yellow yam cook. After the yellow yam was there boiling for about 5 minutes, I'll now add my red cocoa and the other ingredients like yellow yam there, white yam, Irish, and cocoa. This. You don't want to cram this up with too much solid food, because in the end you don't want the finished product coming out looking like a stew instead of a soup. I'll turn the fire up again. So after adding my yellow yam, the white yam, red cocoa and Irish, I let everything boil for about 10 to 12 minutes, and now I'm going to add in my carrot and pumpkin. Now in this meal I have 1.5 cups of peanut, that was raw peanut, a 1.5 cups of dried red peas, 1 pound yellow yam, 1 pound white yam, a large Irish, 2 large carrots, and a pound of pumpkin. So I'll turn the fire up again under this and let it boil. And the coconut juice, it's 1 dried large coconut, grated with just let's say 2 inches of ginger to add some extra flavor. Now the aroma from this is very appetizing. Now that's the thing with coconut juice, there's a rich creamy flavor. So I'll cover back this pot, let it boil some more, and then I'll add my vegetables and seasoning and okra. After adding the pumpkin and the carrot to my soup, it was there boiling for about 15 minutes while I add my okras. And I love the tender and succulent ones. Then I'll add thyme, scallion. Of course, you know, it's a vegetable soup, so we have some greens, pepper, and this is color. You can use whatever green is available to you. Stir this constantly because it's a soup. Stir and eat. And to release all the flavors from the seasoning. You cover this and it is boil for another 10 minutes. And then our soup is ready to serve. After adding the seasoning and the vegetable to the vegetable soup, you can add at least 2 teaspoons of salt to your taste. Now after adding my vegetables and seasoning, let it boil for about 15 more minutes. This is the finished product. Vegetable soup is now ready for serving. You smell all of that aroma from all the ingredients: coconut, peanut, pepper, red peas, scallion, thyme. Coconut is one versatile nut. Now I'm going to serve some for this young lady over here. Or she will be served. And lower the fire. Well folks, this is the finished product of the vegetable soup or soup. So if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.